VIP customers lost to queues. Traditional leads are outdated. Backlog of customers during peak periods, and poor service experience. AI reception robot. Intelligent triage system automatically recognizes visitors and guides, then one to their destination.
Hi, what financial products do you have?
Hello, starting amount, usually 5.
Self-research AI big model voice interaction, real-time financial information.
Hello, I want to save money.
Hi, you can do this at the ATM on the right-hand side.
Sorry, I can't do it.
Okay, I'll put you in touch with a human being.
App remote call alert.
Hello, Auntie. This way, please.
Voice guidance throughout the business process, releasing 50% of manpower.
Hello, please take a break here. The manager will be right with you.
New benchmark in fintech with 35% increase in customer satisfaction. Intelligent welcome. Service goes with you. AI reception robot. AI-enabled new banking experience.